Want to take your love life to the next level? Here are 5 psychology-backed dating hacks that actually work. They activate deeper cognitive pathways, unconscious connections in your brain like memory, taste, and personal identity, making the moment more memorable. Tips number 3 is a game changer. First up, ask for a small favor. It sounds simple, but it works. When someone does something small for you, like holding your jacket for a second, their brain starts to justify why they're helping, and they subconsciously start liking you more. It's called the Ben Franklin effect, and it's surprisingly powerful. If you want to take it further, react with a bright, grateful smile, like they just did something amazing. That warm reaction will amplify the effect. Next, try subtly mirroring their body language. People feel more comfortable around those who are like them. By subtly matching their posture, gestures, or speech rhythm, you trigger a sense of connection without them even realizing it. Have you ever heard of looking someone straight in the eyes and breathing slowly and deeply when they're upset? Their brain will unconsciously start to match your breathing, helping them calm down without even realizing it. Well, this works in a similar way. This activates the brain's mirror neurons, which are linked to empathy and bonding, and is a natural way to build attraction. Please keep it natural and minimal. You're not copying, just aligning. Now this one's big. Let them talk 70% of the time. It's not a secret. People love talking about themselves. It activates the brain's reward center, just like chocolate or cash. So be genuinely curious. Ask thoughtful questions. Listen more than you speak. When someone walks away feeling heard, they associate you with that good feeling. To make it more impactful, follow their story with a light reflection like, "That sounds like it meant a lot to you." That will create instant depth. Another powerful tip, use their name in conversation. Studies show hearing your name activates the medial prefrontal cortex tied to self-perception and attention. Psychologists say using someone's name makes them feel seen, important, and instantly connected. Say their name with warmth at key moments, like when you agree with them or thank them. Just don't overdo it or it'll feel robotic. And finally, leave the date on a positive moment. People remember how an experience ends more than the experience itself. This is called the peak end rule. So wrap the date on a fun, light, or emotionally upbeat note. A laugh, a compliment, a shared memory. For example, refer back to that funny story that had you both cracking up earlier, or reminisce about a moment you both connected on by saying, "I'll be thinking about that story you told." That's the kind of energy they'll remember. But of course, timing is everything. End while the energy's still high, not after it starts to fade. Have you used any of these in the past? How did it go for you? And if you haven't, which tip will you try first? There are plenty of other science-backed dating tips that work subtly yet powerfully. If you're interested, comment for part 2. Until then, share this video with a friend who needs some dating help, and don't forget to save this for later. A few small changes can make a big difference. Good luck out there.